We dancing. We dancing. I'm going to the tournament Friday night. Should be fun. Go to Brooklyn. What up, y'all? Hey, I'm gonna start keeping these a little bit shorter, much shorter and sweeter. Come to the website. It's phenomenal. This is the best trading environment I've ever seen in my life. Um, just a rinse and repeat today. SOUN. Short, long, short. Hey, and we've been trading the stock, and this is what I love about this game is that these stocks, they come around. Sometimes the pump and dump lasts for just a day, like SWIN, which was insane. $9 to 72, back to 9, and it'll probably go to 0. But every once in a while, you get stocks like AISP, that continue to see volume, continue to see reasons to trade, and continue to see reasons to keep them on the watch list. And then if they start doing things that cooperate with the setup that we love, you trade them. So this stock, Veri, VERI, burp, has been awesome. SOUN has been awesome. And this penny stock, STI, the name of the company did it for me. Solidon. I immediately think boner pill. Solidon. I've got a Solidon when this broke 308, and that was the prior high. I got paid. I'm not in it now, but this stock, VERI, it's come back now a dozen or so times, and that's what you want to see. Inevitably, these stocks will roll over and die, and then they go away. The volume dries up. That's when you know they're done. So even though SOUN is getting smoked today, down 10%, it's awesome. You got 70 million shares trading on it. Liquid is all, liquid as you can be. Options with half point increments, weekly options, just a good trading stock. And you could just sit there and, enjoy it. And, someone said to me, because I was talking about getting in and having it run up without me in it. And they said, here's an idea. Why don't you just own it? I'm like, because owning these stocks are generally a bad idea. Stocks that were $1 that are sitting at 8, you're set up for them to pull back 50%. I don't need to try to analyze what SoundHound AI is. I could care less, but I know for a fact that every time it sets up for a short or a long, it's been a pretty good trade because it follows through. And that's all you need as far as trading is follow through. If your stock sits there stagnant or excessively choppy, kind of like Carvana, I haven't traded Carvana right in since the earnings day. And I'm done. I'm done watching the stock. I don't care. I don't make money on it. So why would I keep going back to it? But stocks like, VERI and SOUN and Palantir and Jumama, I keep making money on these trades, and even the path. And by the way, let me just throw something out there. The last 3 option trades that I bought going into reports have been losses. You see how the law of averages always comes back. So for how and listen, we're still ahead. If you took Meta and you took Nvidia calls into the number, you could have, no joke, 75 losers in a row now, and you still should be ahead. That's how sick those trades were. I get it. But inevitably, you will give back all your money if you consistently gamble into earnings reports using options. For every Meta and every Nvidia, and again, we bought $950 calls for $4 and wound up selling them for $34. It's insane, right? But I bought IOVA for $1,200 out the window, lost, completely expired, worthless. I bought NVTS. Those are definitely going to expire. I mean, I got another 3 weeks for them to expire to 0. Got 750 calls for April. Those are done. And the last one was Path. We bought 2450 calls in the money, and for $2 and $2.50. Now they're 50 cents. Chances are they're going to expire worthless also. So it always comes back to get you. That's why I don't do too much of it. But if you just sat here watching Path, it was an earnings reversal on the day it reported. You crushed it. Then it actually bounced. And today it sold off, held support. And once again, as much as I hate the fact that we didn't make any money on the calls, Then again, we do have 20 more days left. It's a good trading stock. It finds support and it bounces enough to pay you as a day trader. So the longer I do this, inevitably the law of averages will get me. I'm not a good swing trader, nor am I a great investor. Again, if you're going to invest, it's the QQQ, and there's really nothing else that matters to me. But as far as swing trading, the environment for swing trading has been so great that even I was able to do really, really well. I had 19 positions on just a couple of weeks ago, and basically every single one of them hit except NVTS calls. But we had made money on the NVTS going into the option. So it's been a pretty amazing month. It's been an amazing 6 months since the October lows. But if you just strapped in today and today was your first day, and you said, "All right, Kenny, let's see what you got." We're 9 for 9. The only trade I lost, sorry, 9 for 10, but I rectified the one loser, which was Lunar Long. I top ticked it at 555. I got stopped out for a 12-cent loss, but then it wound up, making the 12 cents back when it turned around. But that's it, my friends. Good to see you. If you are, long stocks right now, or more importantly, if you went short over the weekend because there was a reason to think that maybe this coming week was going to be a bad week. So Friday, you had weakness Thursday, weakness Friday, volatility was up, the UVXY was up. You had real reasons to want to stay short over the weekend. And what do you wake up to? You got punched in the face. That's why when it comes down to it, buying options to earnings reports don't work. Holding overnights doesn't work. Generally, nothing works except trading VWAP. And you could trade VWAP on, I love the day trade on it. But, again, when it serves you well to swing, you have multiple time frame VWAP to look at to give you a heads up on your swing trades. So it's all right there. Come witness it. But this week, I haven't sent out any emails yet. I haven't sent any links out. I'll probably start getting them out Tuesday night. Just email me, kennyglick@aol.com. Thursday night, we got a really good schmooze. Friday, I'm doing an off-site hour-long seminar to get you acquainted with VWAP. And then on Saturday, it's going to be like a follow-through of what I do Friday afternoon. So sign up for whatever I got. And the only admission fee is to join me on social media and help me promote. And, hopefully I see you in the chat room. All right. Good luck, everybody. See you soon.